Alrighty. Well, we're gonna do a little bit of riding in the rain and the mud today, I reckon. It's been rather dry here in North Carolina, so we definitely need the rain without a doubt. But I decided I'd fire up the GoPro, and me and Jacob are gonna do a little bit of riding in these pristine conditions here. Pristine. Wow. Wow. Jacob, he got rid of the DR. He traded the DR for the YZ85 you see here, and he just dropped his rag. And I didn't put my phone up in my coat pocket. Got to be kidding me. It's a little bit slippery. Just a little bit slippery. I can't believe the way I hit that spot right there. It just completely stopped the bike and held the bike completely still. I don't know which way Jacob went. This hill's probably going to be pretty slick. Yep. Literally sounds like I'm jumping a tooth, and I don't think I'm missing any. That did not sound good at all. Sorry, y'all. Like the camera off. I think I'm running out of gas. I'm running out of gas. Oh no. No. I'm running out of gas. How bad? Huh? How bad? Bad. Bad. I knew I was low, but I didn't think I was that low. Alright, well, after a little bit of a delay, we are finally back. I've got gas now. And we have picked up a hitchhiker on a four-wheeler. No, I'm kidding. We went and picked up my buddy Adam. That was extra dramatic, but you know, it's a little slippery. I tried to play it off cool, you know, and just spin it around, but then my front tire said, yeah, right. Well, I landed about right there apparently and said, a 450 in second gear with no launch control or nothing. I killed it. Huh? Yeah.
What is it?
His hat. Taking the TTR on a walk.
Dude, I
Was
dropped
that good?
Yeah, that was pretty decent.
Don't try to do no wheelies like this.
I am not gonna try to do no wheelies. I don't know back.
Do a backflip.
Was that recording?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
you
fucking
got.
hill
Oh.
was just like 20 years of this motherfucker's life.
I recorded it.
Oh my goodness, what a noob. He's never rode a dirt bike before. He's a four-wheeler,
They
guys.
dropping 450, stalling out 85.
Just shoots the piston out the exhaust. No, I'm kidding.
Dude, I just about blew this thing up getting up that hill.
It's a little bit muddy, yeah. He's like, don't get me dirty, I just took a shower. Proceeds to just give it absolute hell through the mud.
If I had my 80 out here.
It's bad when all these kids can ride better wheelies than I can.
You can give some gas.
This little thing will rip. It ain't getting no traction at all. This thing will haul ass, like it'll go. But it ain't getting no traction.
Well, not duh.
Got me on the 85, okay?
Mm-hmm. He's gonna slide. He ain't gonna be able to stop. I'm surprised he was able to. I thought you was gonna keep going.
This slick is shit right here.
I was like, he's gonna slide. He ain't gonna stop. I thought you was about to disappear. Ride a wheelie up the hill, and I tried to do it in third gear, and third gear was too high. I might have to start in second and shift to third. Damn it. I've got to do something about the clutches in this bike. didn't know if I was gonna make it up that for a second or not there. A little close. What are these goons doing down here? Are they wilding out? But I wanted to get the GoPro out today and try to get y'all a little content posted on YouTube, because I know I don't post as much as I should. Sounds like daggum chimpanzees coming through the woods behind me.